Hello students, today we are going to learn our new topic, that is living and non-living things. We are living on the earth and around us we are seeing many things. For example, animals, plants, sun, moon, then insects, birds, all these things we are see on the earth. Okay. So from this, some are the living things and some are non-living things. What is meant by living things? Living things, that means the things that are alive. The things that are alive. For example, human beings, animals, birds, insects, etc. And what is meant by non-living things? Non-living things, that means the things that are never alive. So here the things that are never alive, that are called the non-living things. For example, chair, table, stone, doll, etc. You can take the many more examples from your house also. Okay. Now we see the features of living things. Now we see the features of living things. The first feature is living things grow. Living things can grow. Now we see one example. A baby girl grow into a girl and a girl grow into a woman. Okay, are you know about it? The baby boy is grow into a boy and a boy is grow into a man. Now we take a second example, that is when we put the seed into a soil. We give water to it. After some days it grow into a baby plant. After some days it grow into a baby plant and this baby plant grow into a small plant. And after some year, that small plant is grow into a big tree. See here, seed grow into a baby plant grow into a small plant and small plant grow into a big tree. Now we see the second features of the living things, that is the living things need food and water. Living things need food and water. See here, we are the human beings. We need a food and water to survive. If we not take a food and water, we will not survive. And animals also need a food. Cow, buffalo, all these animals need a grass to survive. They eat a grass. And water also they need. If they not take the food and water, they will not survive. Another example I will tell you, that is the plants. Plants also need a water and food to survive. If we not give water to the plants, they can't grow. They can't grow. For example, you know that the seed germination. If we put the seed into the soil and if we not give the water to that seed, it will not grow into a plant. That means living things cannot grow without a water and food. They need a food and water to grow or survive. Now we see the third point, that is the third feature of the living things move. Living things can move. See here, I am moving here. Are you seeing this? I grow from this side to this side. But this steady not move from one place to another place by their own. Why it's happened? Because we are a living things, but this steady is not a living things. Now we take a fourth feature of the living thing, that is living things breathe. See here, the human beings take air through the nose. See here, I am taking air. I am a human being, so I am taking air. I am taking air, that means I am breathing. I am breathing. If I hold my nose, see here, if I can't take air inside, what will be happen? I can't live. I can't live. I will be dead. So we take air, we take a breath. That means the living things take breathe. Living things breathe. See here, I have a teddy. Now tell me, this teddy breathe? No. Why? Because it's a non-living things. And the plants are also take a air. Plant is a living things and plants take a air, that is the carbon dioxide. Plant take carbon dioxide and human beings take a oxygen inside them. Now we see the fifth feature of the living thing, that is living things feel. Living things can feel. See here, I am a living things. If I pinch to myself, I feel here pain. That means I am feeling something here. I feel a pain here. If I touch a hot cup of tea, okay, touch a hot cup of tea, I feel that is something is hot there. Something. I take my hands back. If I touch the hot cup of tea, I take my hand back. Okay. So that means we are feel. If see, this is a teddy. If I pinch to this teddy, it will be feel? No, they can't feel. Why it's happened? Because teddy is a non-living things and we are a living things. Okay, are you understood? That is the living things feel. Okay, this is the next point is the living things reproduce. Next point is living things reproduce. See here, the living things give a birth to young ones, their young ones. Living things give a birth to their young ones. For example, a human being give a birth to a girl or a boy. They reproduce their young ones. And for example, I will take another example, that is a dog give birth to puppies. Dog give birth to puppies and the cat give birth to kittens. And the plants also give their give birth to their young ones. That is the small plant. Okay, all of you understood this, all the features. See here, I repeat that the living things can grow, living things can move, living things can breathe, living things can feel, and the living things can reproduce. But the non-living thing doesn't follow all these things. The non-living thing does not take a food and water, they can't move, they can't breathe, they can't feel, and they can't reproduce. All of you understood living things and non-living things?